Yeah, that's a better length. Really good length. Good from Rohit. They just allowed it. But he's got his length right now. After this break, he is right on it. Fuller just pushing it across. Probably got him. What a delivery! Two across, one back in. You beauty, Shaheen. Rohit is gone.
Wow. Breathing. Virat Kohli has come in at number 3. There was some talk that he might bat at number 4 for that length. He was very concerned about the full ball, about that trap that he...
You could see that even Indians were really admiring.
Yeah, that's happened today. The line has been a problem for both bowlers.
Yeah, that's a good comment. He'd walk back there, Rohit Sharma, you think, you know, probably...
What a shot. Wasn't full at all, but the cover drive comes out to a good ball. That was a good ball.
That is good.
Wicket gone. Shubman Gill, good call. But that was a speed view camera, which gives you a great idea of the speed. Boom! Played on! And who's done it? The Shaheen again. 2 wickets gone. Oh, he's gone down the leg side again.